Hey there, welcome to my happy birthday app walkthrough. I decided to make a birthday card for my sister's dog. His name is Finnegan. He's a corgi. And what I'm showing off right here is the mock-up I did. I decided to do my initial designs in Photoshop. So right off I knew I wanted to use a background image, and that's Finnegan himself. I wrote a poem. It's inspired by the Reddit I Lick the Bread. If you haven't seen that, I recommend you check it out. It's really cute. Um, and there's a banner at the bottom that you can't quite see because this is an Android studio that says Happy Birthday Finnegan. So right off I knew I needed to use a relative layout. I knew that I needed to align this text left and bottom. I needed to make sure that the banner was aligned parent bottom and that this text was above the banner. I'm going to go ahead and now show you the finished app in all its glory. Drum roll, please. Please don't. All right, so here's the finished app. You'll notice there's a few things about it that weren't quite covered in the lesson. So this poem consists of a single text view, but there's multiple lines. And basically all this stuff is things that I researched via Stack Overflow. So there is a really simple solution to creating a new line in a text. All you have to do is add /n within the text. So if I took away one of the /n's, you'll see that it is now all one line. But if I go ahead and undo that, it's all in the neat little lines. Along the lines of that research, I found an attribute called Android lines, which allows you to set the number of lines. So I could set it to 8, which is the exact number of lines in the poem, or I could set it to 10 for the sake of formatting and allow myself a little bit of, I don't know, cheated padding. There's real padding in here too, but yeah, it's just adding a little bit extra for the sake of clean formatting. It's probably bad practice, I'm sure, but I'm new to this, so just have to deal. Um, so the other part was that I wanted to center the text, and I found an attribute called Android Gravity that allows me to do that. So um, the poem is completely centered, and I went ahead and did the banner as a center horizontal. And last but not least, I created this little background for the poem text view. And how I did that was so it's an image that's drawn with XML, and that particular feature is called a shape. I went ahead and tabbed over to my second XML file just so I could show you. So let me go ahead and draw this up, and boom. So this is an external file that creates a circle. And the advantage of using this rather than, say, hard coding that circle in is that it actually changes with the like it actually conforms to the text view. So I don't have to worry about the bubble being huge and the text being tiny. And I can demonstrate that. So you can see that I switched it to a Nexus 7 tablet in the emulator, and it still conforms to the text even though it's on a bigger device. And that's it. That is how I created my birthday card app. Thanks for watching.